Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. Welcome to Tag Team Friday for the premium membership site for the Graphics Fairy. Today I will be making a tag which is mainly based on the author printables. So let me show you what I've got here. I have this marbled paper and I have this map which I printed into very fine paper, like a map usually is very thin, old maps. This is a typewriter. I just love this one. So this one I will be folding and using as a pocket. Here's another image I will be using, and this is card, which is 130 GSM thickness, and I will be backing the tag onto this card. So I will start with the marbled paper and I will attach it onto this card. I have printed it to be a little bit larger than the size of the tag that I want it to be, because I wanted it to fold. I will fold the edges . So the front of my tag is now ready, and I have decided on folding this onto the tag and creating this pocket. So I am going to cut it cut around the image. So the part that is extra will be folded in the side. And now that it is folded, I will add this, which will be the back of my tag, and it will cover whatever part is showing. So I will glue this onto the back, because it's nice to have two sides on a tag. I like the two sides, and I usually add a single image onto the back side, and it's not too busy, but it has something to back it, something to look at in the back. So there it is, and this side is ready. I love this color, it's amazing. I will distress it. And I will cut the tag. And now I will punch a hole here. So the next thing I will do is fold this map so that it can go into the pocket. We'll go in here. Distress the edge a little bit here. Finally, this is the last part. I love this paper. This it looks like ledger, and it won't go in. Oh, it will. Well, I think what I will do with it is do the same thing. I will fold it like the map and distress. There. And finally, I will use some burlap twine. There it is. And this is the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be talking again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.